Dear trader, if you enjoy the thrill of making money quickly and easily on the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames, I'd love to share with you the brand new software I've been using lately to make huge daily profits in very little time. Actually, it's rooted in the smart engineering of my hugely successful indicator that you've most likely already heard of or even using right now. I'm talking about the legendary Fibo Quantum. Its fantastic performance, my own results, and an unbelievable amount of highly positive feedback inspired me and my team to create Fibo Quantum Scalper. It's based on scientific and, more importantly, natural laws that powered Fibo Quantum, which pinpoints winning trades on the 15-minute to daily time frames. If you're not familiar with Fibo Quantum Indicator, the internet is bursting with rave reviews of its performance. You can learn more about it online. Fibo Quantum Indicator is excellent, most definitely. But trading on the higher time frames is not for everyone. And that's understandable. Not everyone has the patience to wait for profits to come. They want to see it happening in front of their eyes, now. They want to experience the thrill of fast profits in literally a matter of minutes, in real time. And if this describes you, if you're someone who thrives on the fast movement of the markets, and you want to get in and out of trades within mere minutes, Fibo Quantum Scalper is perfect for you. If you've experienced the raw money-making power of Fibo Quantum Indicator, you will absolutely love this brand new Fibo Quantum Scalper. You see, in order to make money faster, we have developed powerful scalping algorithms that make picking off profits on the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames extremely easy. Brain dead easy. Yeah, big claim like you've probably seen elsewhere, I know. But unlike the competition, I can prove to you how beginner friendly this scalper is. I want you to pay attention here now. It's important because I want you to understand that this is as easy as child's play. First, Fibo Quantum Scalper will draw its special levels on the chart. Then, once the price hits the entry level, you open the trade, set the stop loss and the take profit levels. And finally, the price hits the take profit and you get your cold hard cash. Then boom, you get a new set of levels. Price reaches the entry level and you simply set up the next trade. Now tell me, does that look hard to you? It's a simple process. A kid who plays video games would master this in no time. It's point, click, profit. That's it. Simply rinse, repeat, and profit at any time of the day as your heart desires. Have a look at how much profit you could be making with Fibo Quantum Scalper. US dollar Swiss franc, 35, 12, and 15 pips. US dollar Japanese yen, 16, 21, and 36 pips profit. And here is Euro Australian dollar, 37, 16, and 22 pips. Here are some bigger wins on British pound Japanese yen, 68, 28, and 79 pips profit. See? When scalping in Fibonacci style, you should aim for smaller trades, but do your best to make as many wins as possible in the shortest time. Now, Fibo Quantum Scalper will give you the power to do so. The power you need to have at your fingertips to cream off money with no more than a few mouse clicks. What do you think? Are you ready to feel it? Would you like to be able to make this much money in very little time? Fibo Quantum Scalper can help you achieve that. Our goal is to help new traders and veterans to make super accurate, short-term, reliable trades that rack up sizable profit over time. With Fibo Quantum Scalper, you will always know with a lot of confidence when exactly to open and close quick trades to make the biggest possible profit from almost every price movement. Listen, if you are excited as I am about making money in the fastest way possible, I'm going to show you how to do that and how you can snag quick and easy profits whenever you want. This is about to boost your scalping game. Fibo Quantum Scalper will show you when to enter your trades and where to set your take profit and stop loss levels. You will be executing trades exactly as the indicator tells you to and watching the price as it reaches take profit levels one after the other. The more experienced you become with this tool, the better decisions you will make and the more profits you will keep making. It's so simple and easy to use that once you become familiar with it, you will soon have the winning statistics of the best scalpers in the market. You will enter the markets picking off 10, 15, 20 pips with sniper-like precision in mere minutes. If you trade an account with, let's say, $1,000, you could easily make $10, $15, $20, or even more in just minutes. If you do that multiple times per day, you can make anywhere between $20 to $100. Over time, with compounding, you can make $100 to $300 per day using this accurate scalping software. The algorithms that make Fibo Quantum Scalper so accurate and profitable have been developed over years of painstaking research and analysis and are heavily based on our own huge success with its predecessor, the legendary Fibo Quantum. We equipped Fibo Quantum Scalper with our own trading secrets and fine-tuned the special algorithms used by the big banks and investment houses to multiply their profit in the markets. This was only used by the big players until now. But I want to give you, the individual trader, more control over your trading and help you generate big profit on the smaller time frames that was previously available only to a chosen few. Once you employ this tool, you will realize the stability and reliability it brings to your daily trading. Plus, you will see how powerful it is in helping you to profit. Soon, you will be able to increase your lot size and start trading like the big Forex players. In fact, by using Fibo Quantum Scalper, you are already leaps and bounds ahead of the average trader who depends on gut feelings and expert recommendations. How does this indicator work with such precision? Why does it give consistent profitable signals? How can you take advantage of this opportunity and improve your trading? How much can you profit with Fibo Quantum Scalper? I'm sure you have plenty of questions popping up in your mind, and I will answer all of them. But first, let me introduce myself. To those who don't know me or aren't familiar with my work, my name is Carl Dittman. And I started trading and teaching how to trade way before most gurus out there had even heard of Forex. I am a coach and a speaker as well. I know how you feel about losing money in Forex because I used to be just like you. I almost gave up before I discovered some key tools that helped me up my game and make enough profits to sustain my livelihood and that of my family. No, I did not become a millionaire overnight, but consistent profits over a long time enabled me to amass quite a fortune in Forex and helped me lead a fulfilling life. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this for my love of Forex and the chance to change the lives of my students and their families. I don't want you to lose all your hard-earned money in blind trades. I don't want you to grope around without understanding how Forex trading actually works. Unless you learn the fundamentals of trading, learn how to position yourself and use the trading tools needed, you will lose money. I assure you. Most people who aren't trading professionally see Forex as a gambling game of sorts. Well, let me tell you something. You can find better luck buying a lottery ticket. You wouldn't lose as much money for a ticket. With breakthroughs in technology and the latest tools available to traders, almost everyone can be making successful trades if they're prudent and sensible enough. Make sure you listen to this till the end to discover how Fibo Quantum Scalper can bring consistency in your trades on the smaller time frames and quicker daily profits. Now, let's get back to how it actually works. Remember how many questions you had about how this tool can help you? Let's start. Fibo Quantum Scalper is a unique Forex indicator based on the age-old Fibonacci sequence and the golden mean. Fibo what? What is this? Forex voodoo? No magic of any kind here. To explain more about the Fibonacci sequence and the golden mean, we need to go a bit back into history. Bear with me, because it's important for your financial well-being, and that's why you're here, right? When we look at the history of the human race, we tend to notice a lot of unmissable patterns wherever we look. Man follows science. Science follows nature, and nature follows a pattern. Keen observers have taken note of this, and some of the smarter ones are making profit from the predictable nature of this pattern. Here's a famous quote for you. There are only patterns. Patterns on top of patterns. Patterns that affect other patterns. Patterns hidden by patterns. Patterns within patterns. If you watch close, history does nothing but repeat itself. Novel by Chuck Palahniuk. Survivor. Did you know that everyone from the large hedge funds to the investment banks have sizable trading teams that simply observe and make decisions based on patterns? There are numerous investors, from Marty Schwartz and Ray Dalio to Paul Tudor Jones, that depend heavily on technical analysis to run their billion-dollar funds. The price fluctuations may look extremely volatile to untrained eyes, but over periods of time, they usually follow a set pattern. Those who know this are making profit from these patterns. These people have already developed their own analysis and observation methods that have made the task much easier than it ever was. A significant pattern that investment analysts depend on to develop their funds is the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a special sequence of numbers that can be found in nature as well as in financial markets. The sequence was discovered in the 13th century by Leonardo da Pisa, who was amongst the most talented mathematicians of the Middle Age. Leonardo came to a conclusion that there was a preset series of numbers and ratios that determined the natural proportion of things in the known universe. In a Fibonacci sequence, every number is the sum of the previous two numbers. Let me illustrate the sequence: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, and so on. When taken into context of the Forex markets, Fibonacci ratios indicate powerful price levels that force the market to move in the expected direction every single time. Successful Forex traders use Fibonacci indicated levels to pinpoint exactly where to place their orders and where to close them to make profit. When you measure the ratio of any number to the succeeding number, you get 0.618. This is known as the golden mean. Traders following Fibonacci sequences and the golden mean have found ways to use this information to predict where the price will go with an unbeatable accuracy. My team and I have spent a considerable amount of time researching, developing, and optimizing Fibo Quantum Scalper, one of the best and most reliable Fibonacci indicators, apart from the original Fibo Quantum, we ever created. Fibo Quantum Scalper is very easy to use. I can't stress that enough. It's so simple that even complete newbies can start winning big trades in just a few minutes. Fibo Quantum Scalper has 3 trading styles that impact the speed of its signals. There are aggressive, medium, and conservative trading styles. You can try all of them and choose the one that best suits your own vision of trading and your preferences. Plus, for the more experienced traders out there, there is also custom trading style that allows users to manually configure signals and gives even more flexibility. Even someone with almost no trading experience can read the simple trading rules given in the user guide and follow the indicator signals to consistently make good, stable profit. Instead of sitting glued in to catch lucrative price movements like the average traders do, with Fibo Quantum Scalper, you will get simple signal alerts every time there is a new trading opportunity. Fibo Quantum Scalper will also give you a signal when the buy-sell entry levels are reached, so that you can immediately open your trade. The algorithm is developed in such a way that traders can make profits with their eyes closed. The signal alerts are sent via email, pop-up, and mobile push notifications, so that you never miss any profitable price movements. Fibo Quantum Scalper makes your trading exponentially successful and super convenient. With it, you will not need to spend hours upon hours sitting hunched up in front of the screen in order to make a successful trade. We have created Fibo Quantum Scalper for you to be able to make accelerated profits within a shorter time. This means that the profit you will be making with the Fibo Quantum Scalper per hour will be much more than anything you have ever made before. Enjoy your day, and once you hear a signal alert from Fibo Quantum Scalper, simply open the trade and come back to see how much you've made. You don't need to invest much time. Just read the user guide to understand the trading rules and practice a bit on a demo account. And that's it. You are ready to make real profit. Fibo Quantum Scalper is the proven, easy and reliable set and forget indicator that you've been waiting for. Fibo Quantum Scalper is a powerful indicator that is perfected for scalping 1 and 5 minutes, helps make consistent profits, has reliable indications on when to enter and exit, is easy to set up and start trading, has 4 trading style options, has 3 different signal alerts. While other indicators keep changing their levels every other minute, Fibo Quantum Scalper only displays levels that are confirmed by my own new proprietary algorithms that are entirely based on Fibonacci calculations and ratios. They do not repaint every now and then like other software does. No, you will have confidence and assurance every time you click to place a trade. With the Fibo Quantum Scalper, nature, science, and my expertise are on your side. I'm 100% confident that Fibo Quantum Scalper will exceed your expectations. But I want you to be 100% confident about getting your own copy as well. That's why I'm offering you a 100% 30 days, no questions asked, money back guarantee. Just click the buy button below, and if you don't experience the increased profits, if you don't cut down your trading time by at least 50%, if you don't get to the next level of trading, I'll refund every single penny. Yes, I believe in its capabilities so much. I'm 150% confident Fibo Quantum Scalper will make you a skilled scalper because it's 64% based on the logic that powers its hugely successful flagship model, the original Fibo Quantum Indicator. I just want to reinforce the fact that Fibo Quantum Scalper is not an upgrade. It stands in its own right. It uses a lot of Fibo Quantum logic, yes, but the algorithms were specially redesigned, coded to exert dominance over scalping the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames. Fibo Quantum Indicator cannot do that. It's more suited for trading the 15-minute to daily time frames. So, if you prefer trading the higher time frames, you can get Fibo Quantum Indicator at www.fiboquantum.com. If you cast your eyes to those screenshots above again, you will realize that with the results shown, it's worth your while to try to duplicate those results in your very own account. No true Forex trader would pass up an opportunity like this. And if you consider yourself one, I'm going to make it absolutely easy for you to say yes today. We wanted to price this exciting new software at a decent rate based on its performance, but then it would not be affordable to Forex traders just starting out or struggling to make ends meet. It would not be fair to them. And because I want everyone to benefit, and not just the suits and the finance conglomerates, we are now offering a crazy, super low, limited time price of just $147. That's a very tiny investment compared to the success you'll have and the profit you'll make employing the Fibo Quantum Scalper Indicator. The price will not, however, stay at this level for too long, because honestly, we believe we are undervaluing this tool to a great extent. But I can't help it. I'm too passionate about helping people and making their success affordable. So grab Fibo Quantum Scalper while the price is still low. Besides, you have absolutely zero risk when you make the purchase today. With the purchase of this indicator, you'll get your hands on a comprehensive guide that details how to install and effectively use Fibo Quantum Scalper in your daily trades. The guide contains essential information that'll give you step-by-step directions on how to make the most out of the Fibo Quantum Scalper indicator. You'll find loads of immediately actionable tips and trades examples. With the 30 days money-back guarantee, you can try it out for a whole month. I can assure you that within the first few minutes, you will realize the effectiveness of Fibo Quantum Scalper in helping you make the right trading decisions on the smaller time frames, while giving you more freedom than ever before. So stop feeling exhausted. Stop giving up the good fight. Stop with all the nonsense, worry, and desperation. Order Fibo Quantum Scalper today and make consistent profit trading for just a few minutes to an hour or two a day. It's up to you. It's due time you started living the life of a professional and successful Forex trader. Click the Order Now button below for a zero-risk decision on your trading future.